What's up, traders? The S&P 500 futures had a battle at key levels today, with 60-70 acting as a crucial pivot. Bulls defended it with a clean FBD setup played out, and we pushed higher into resistance with CPI data coming in tomorrow. Things could get real volatile. Let's break it all down and get ready. What's going on, traders? Let's go ahead and dive in. In the overnight session from yesterday, we had started off with immediate 15-point flush, right? Flush right on down to that 60-70 level, where bulls defended it real briefly, pushing up to this 81-82 zone before rejecting, and basically rejected throughout the night. Bulls came in at around the 60-70 level one more time for another attempt, pushed back right under that 80 level, pretty much rejected and fell, through the night. Once we led into the late night, early morning, that 60-70 just became a key pivot, mid-pivot level, where the bulls and bears just pretty much battled for this level for control. And then about an hour leading into the open, right, we had a nice little flush all the way down to this 60-60 level, right? Pretty much created a FBD there, leading back into the open. Around the opening bell, the bulls reclaimed that 70, provided that FBD setup, printing towards, which pushed towards the 60-85, needed to reclaim the 60-75 for further momentum, as me in the Discord community was watching it, taking positions around the 70 and 75 level. Once we opened, we pushed high to that 60-91 before a nice rejection once again, and fell right on back to that 60-70 key pivot level, which it gave a lot of opportunities. Printed another FBD setup, FBD opportunity right here for people. So that played out very well, and just pretty much ran that all the way to the 85s, with the high upside target being around the 97-95 area, and we ended 98-75. So that was good to see right there. Took a lot of patience, real slow. I know there's a lot of people getting chopped up in this type of market, so just remember, always have patience. Let the levels guide you, right? That's what's going to help you stay in your trade, have those stop losses for that risk management, especially in this market. And looking ahead until tomorrow, we are right. We have that CPI data tomorrow, which could create traps before a larger directional move, right? I would say same levels apply. As we get closer to the CPI, they may change just slightly as it gets more volatile. I would watch the support levels at the 60-85 zone, the 60-70 through that 75 mid pivot area, right? And then if shorts decide to go ahead and push price lower, I'll just watch that 60-60 with the 42 being under that, with the midway of that 55. So that would be like a bullish scenario. I would say, bulls would need to hold the 60-55 on any deeper pullbacks if we decide to pull back through the night, to keep that upside momentum intact. That 60-70 still remains the main crucial mid-pivot zone. So anything above that, we keep that further upside. Anything under, we start looking towards this 55, 60, 42 zone. Now for the bear side, if we get a hard rejection at that 6100, that's what would interest me, right? For a short target, if we see the bulls struggling to get through that 6100, or even around that 6105, 6110 area, we could look for hard rejections there, potentially targeting that 6095, 6087 on the downside. If 6070 fails, then we can make our way down to that 6060, 6055 zone. So yeah, just keep in mind that CPI will be coming out at 8:30 Eastern time tomorrow. Definitely expect the trap moves, usually 1 to 2 traps, a lot of volatility. The chart just setting up nicely for this bullish move that looks like to be coming. As long as the numbers come out in the bulls' favor, then we should go ahead and break over the 6100. It's probably head towards the 6135, 6140, 50 area at the least. If it goes in the favors of the bulls, if it favors the bears, we could expect probably coming down, breaking that 60-20 magnet level, and probably pushing a little lower than that, the 50.95 area. We lose that, we start pushing down to that 59.75, 59.65 area. So yeah, this will be a short video. Just go ahead and, you know, remain patient out there. Don't overtrade. Get with a community if you're not with one. I'll drop the Discord link inside the description, so feel free to join. Come hang out, see if you like it. We do voice chat every day, starting at anywhere from 4 to 5 a.m. California time, so 8 a.m. Eastern. But yeah, hopefully you guys all had a wonderful Tuesday, banked out today, and we'll get it in tomorrow for CPI. I'll see you then.